Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the image and tools. Open the PNG you want and confirm exact pixel dimensions required by the target format. Once done, launch the converter or open Roman 4 and point it to your working folder so you avoid searching mid-process. Make sure you have a backup copy of the PNG and a clear file name convention. This minimizes mistakes and speeds the conversion. You'll convert the image into the texture container next, so keep the tool window and source file visible. You now convert the PNG into a texture-ready format. Export to DDS with appropriate compression. Choose DXD5 for alpha or BC7 for high color fidelity, because YTD stores GPU-ready textures. Once you have the DDS, import it into the YTD creation tool. Set mipmap generation, texture format, and any platform flags required by the game. Make sure the alpha channel is intact and color space matches the engine. These steps ensure you finish by packaging the DDS into a YTD container. Use the tool to create or replace the IT file, match the internal texture name, and place it in the correct folder. Once packaged, load the game or mod and inspect the texture in context. Look for artifacts, alpha issues, or size mismatches. If something goes wrong, start by checking mipmaps, compression settings, and the exact file name and directory. Revert to your backup PNG and iterate until the result is stable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.